Super Bird, book number 5. Super Bird and the Big Bad Bird Bandit. Characters: Super Bird, the only one hero in Bird Village. Bird Bandit, annoying as always. Police Bird, keep sensitive. Chapter 1, The Bandit Band, page 1 up to 3. Chapter 4, Super Bird's Job, page 4 up to 6. Chapter 3, How Dare You, page 7 up to 9. Chapter 4, Reinforcements, page 10 up to 12. Chapter 5, The End, page 13 up to 15. Chapter 1, The Bandit Band. Ring, ring, ring. Away! Hurry! A job, good. Fire! Whoa! Transform! Was it the fire setter again? I wonder. Meanwhile, now I can destroy the world! I'll find you. Boom! I will destroy every city in the world. Good thing the CCTV is always on. Super Bird, yeah. Super Bird's Job, Chapter 2, page 4 up to 6. What's this? I'll take this. No! It's a bomb. I will search in my computer a bandit that holds bombs. Nope. I will teach you how to interrupt my destroying. I'm gonna beat you, whoever you are. So off he goes. 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. I'm tired. I wish for a slushy. But I've got a job to do. Super Bird is on the way. Meanwhile, now I can destroy perfectly. With this, I can boom anything up. In the testing, boom! How dare you? Chapter 3, page 7 up to 9. Huh? I know this liquid. It's booming potion. Who did it? I am on news. You rascal. I'm going to find out. I found you. How dare you? Boom, crash, bang, boom. Transform. Yeah. Super duper slap. My teeth. I'm going to jail. Congratulations, Super Bird. You have catch the Big Bad Bird Bandit. He is a difficult wrestle to catch, and now you blah 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 blah. At the jail, 1 bed, 1 table, and 1 chair, and 1 driller. More punishment. Boom. More squeezing. Now I'm flat. Reinforcements. Chapter 4, page 10 up to 12. Emergency. On the way. I'm free from jail forever. You. Bang, boom, bing, bang, crash. You win, Super Bird. Why would you do this, Big Bad Bird Bandit? I'm Fred. Fred! Stop! Fred, Super Bird's old partner. I'll never get out now. Thanks to Super Bird. Compact, blah, 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 blah. 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. Today, Super Bird saved the city from the Big Bad Bird Bandit. Now Super Bird is blah, 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 blah. Meanwhile, I'm dead. The end. Chapter 5, page 13 up to 15. In the tower, bing, bang, boom, crash, bang, boom, crash, duak. Good training. Blah 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 blah. Superbird is on the news today, and now he had catch the big bad bird bandit. He uses transforming plungers to defeat him, and now Superbird has catch the big bad bird bandit, and now he's in jail and blah blah blah. Bye readers, see ya on the next adventure. Hope see you real soon. Next up, Superbird and the Underwater Destroyer. Hello and bye bye for the next book channel. Ta-ta!